Number 1 Technology. We're KCE, the best guardrail manufacturer. We bent one side of the rail to produce a spacer integrated our rail to secure the space between the rail and the post. Other products use a separate spacer, but our product secures space only with the rail without a spacer. Additionally, others use separate end rails for their end part finishes, but we don't even need it. There are two major differences from others. First of all, since it is a structurally integrated rail without a bracket, it can absorb greater impact than other products. In addition, the structure is simplified, so the life of the structure is semi-permanent, the maintenance cost is low, and the workability is excellent. Second, there is no end rail. This prevents penetration accidents that occur in rails with exposed cross-sections, and has a round finish, so it has excellent aesthetics. The following is a video of our actual crash test. First is the truck test. Next is car test. In addition to the previous crash test, our company got excellent invention certification, new technology certification, and quality certification, and has obtained patents in Germany, the United States, China, and Russia. We will satisfy our customers through quality management.